students, welcome back to our science class. So in this video we are going to learn the remaining things in part unit 3 plants. Okay, so in the previous class we have learnt about parts of a leaf, right? Yes, the leaf has apex, veins, midrib, blade and petiole. Yes, what is blade? The broad flat part of the leaf is known as blade, that is this portion. Broad portion is known as blade. Okay, and what is apex? The tip of the leaf. The tip of the leaf is known as apex. And what is midrib? The midrib runs along the center of the leaf. Okay, so this line, a vein-like structure, this center line is known as midrib. The center line is known as midrib. Okay, next one, veins. Veins or branch out from the midrib. Okay, so this is midrib, right? So veins are ejected out from the midrib. Okay, the veins are ejected out from the midrib, that is known as veins. Okay, the line ejected out from the midribs are known as veins. Okay, so they are the framework of hollow tubes that carry water and minerals. So this veins only will carry water and minerals to the leaf. Okay, so through veins only water and minerals passes through all the parts. Okay, next, petiole. This part joins the leaf to the main stem. So this is petiole. Okay, so this petiole will joins the leaf to the main leaf. So if a stem is there, this petiole will joins the stem and the leaf. Okay, so we have apex, veins, midrib, blade and petiole. And we have learnt about stomata, right? So what is stomata? Stomata are tiny openings or pores. So in the leaves we have small tiny pores. Okay, small pores. What is pores? Pores are holes. Okay, so in the leaf we can't able to see the pores to our naked eye. So we need microscope to see that pores. Okay, so it is very small. So air enters and leaves the plant through these openings. Okay, so this is the openings. Okay, so air enters into the plant and air leaves the plant through this openings, that is stomata. Okay, stomata helps the plants to breathe. So through stomata only plants are able to breathe. Stomata are used to exchange gases. Okay, so in plants exchange of gases will take place, right? So stomata is the main thing in gas exchange. Okay, so in today's class we are going to learn about leaf as food factory. Okay, that is photosynthesis. Plants need food, but they never depend on people or animals to provide them. So all the living beings need food, right? So plants will not depend on anything. Plants will not depend on people or animals to get their food. They will prepare their own food. Most of the plants are able to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. So how do they prepare their own food? Through a process called photosynthesis. So through photosynthesis they will prepare their own food. Okay, so this is the word photosynthesis. Can we spell now? photosynthesis. This is photosynthesis. We can separate this word, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. So photo means light. What the word photo means? Light. And synthesis means make. Photo means light. Synthesis means make. We can also say synthesis. Synthesis means to prepare. To prepare. Okay. So we can separate the word photosynthesis into two words. Photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means make. So make means to prepare. Okay. Here plants are using light to prepare their own food. Okay. Plants are using light to prepare their own food. Okay. This is the meaning of this word. Okay, now we are going to learn the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their food using chlorophyll. Okay, this is an important word, chlorophyll. Okay, photosynthesis is a process by which plants make their own food using chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide. Okay, this three is very important in photosynthesis. So in the previous class itself, I have told the meaning of chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, it is a pigment. Okay, it is a pigment. So plants are in green color due to this chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives green color to the plants. It is a pigment. Okay, and water, carbon dioxide. So photosynthesis needs chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxides in the presence of sunlight to prepare their own food. Okay, let us see how this process is organized within the plant. Okay, so think and answer. Which part of the leaf collects carbon dioxide? Which part of the leaf collects carbon dioxide? Yes, in the leaf we have small stomata, small stores. So through the stores only the leaf will collect carbon dioxide. Okay, which part of the leaf transports water? So when we pour water to a plant, the water is absorbed by the plant through stem, right? So inside the stem we have tubes. Okay, so through the tubes only the plants will transport water. Okay, next, water. So we have seen that three important process: chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide. So water is absorbed by the roots and is passed to the leaves through tubes. So when we pour water to a plant, this water gets absorbed by the plant. It will passes to the plant through a tube. Okay, and it will passes through all the parts of a plant. Okay, next, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide in the air passes through small pores in the leaves. I told no, in leaf we have small pores, small holes. So through that holes carbon dioxide will enter into the leaves. Okay, next, sunlight. A green pigment in the leaves help them to trap sunlight. This pigment is called chlorophyll. Okay, so green pigment is called chlorophyll. So most leaves are green in color because of this green pigment. So because of this chlorophyll only all the plants are green in color. Okay, it is a pigment. Chlorophyll is a pigment. Okay, so this chlorophyll only will help the plant to trap sunlight. Okay, so to prepare food for the plants they need sunlight, chlorophyll and carbon dioxide. Okay, so water. Okay, so plant gets water when we pour water to it, and chlorophyll, it is present in the leaf itself. Okay, this chlorophyll will help the plant to trap sunlight. Okay, and carbon dioxide from the environment, it will enter to the leaf through stomata, that is pores. Okay, through photosynthesis plants produce the food and release oxygen into the air. So by the process of photosynthesis plants will produce the food. Okay, plants will produce the food by using all these three items: water, carbon dioxide and sunlight. So after producing food, the oxygen will be released from the plant to the air. So that oxygen only we are taking in. As human beings, we are taking oxygen. We are breathing oxygen, right? So plants, it will leave oxygen and it will take carbon dioxide. So this oxygen only we are intaking. Okay. So water plus carbon dioxide gives food and oxygen. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll. Okay, so this is very important. You have to learn this reaction. So as plants prepare food for themselves and also for other living things, they are called primary producers. So plants are known as primary producers. Why? Because they prepare food for themselves. They prepare their own food and also for other living things. Right? So animals and human beings will depend on plants for food, right? So plant is a major food item. They will prepare their own food also, and they will be act as a food for animals and human beings. So that's why we are calling plants as a primary producers. Okay, next. Page number 79. Without primary producers, living things that are not capable of producing their own food and will not be able to live. So without primary producers, living things that are not capable of producing their own food and we will not be able to live. So without the help of primary producers, all the living things are not capable of producing their own food, right? Yes. Fill in the blanks by rearranging the letters in the bracket. During photosynthesis, plants releases what? Yes, oxygen. So they have jumbled the letters. We are going to write the correct letters. Oxygen. Dash is a primary producer. Yes, as we learnt before, plant is a primary producer. Stomata are seen in the dash surface of the leaf. Surface, lower surface. Okay. Pigment involved in the food synthesis is dash. So which is the pigment in the plant? Chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. So I want you all to read this photosynthesis, process of photosynthesis. Okay, in the Zoom class I will be going to ask questions from this photosynthesis topic. Okay, students, thank you.